Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 2. If 2q3 base 5 is equals to 77 base 8, find q. If 2q3 base 5 is equals to 77 base 8, find q. A 2, B 1, C 4, and D 0. Now the first thing we're going to do is to convert both to base 10. That is to convert 2q3 in base 5 to base 10 and also 77 base 8 to base 10, and by doing so we have 2q3 in base 5 is equals to 77 in base 8, so 0 1 2 the power 0 1. So by converting to base 10 we'll have 2 multiplied by, since the base here is 5, raised to the power of 2 plus 9 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 0, close brackets, equals to 7 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 1 plus 7 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 0. So here we'll be having 2 multiplied by 25 plus 9 multiplied by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 1. 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. And it's equals to 7 multiplied by 8 plus 7 multiplied by 1. 8 raised to the power of 0 is also 1. So here we have 50 plus, now this is q, q. So 50 plus 5q. 5q plus 3 is equals to 7 multiplied by 8 is 56, then plus 7. So from here we'll have that 5q is equals to 56 plus 7 minus 50 minus 3, which is equals to 10. So 5q is equals to 10. 5q is equals to 10, and divide both sides by the quotient of q, which is 5 here we cancel 5 here 1, and 5 in 10 2. Therefore q is equals to 2. So we can now say that 3 base 5 is equals to 7 base 8, because q is equals to 2. Option A. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.